Hi everyone. So in today's video, we'll be studying about the different rainfalls that are received in India. Rainfall is a very important resource in India, and different parts of India receive rainfall in different times of the year. Since it lies in the tropical belt that is north of equator, okay, so that is why there are four types of rainfall received in India. So let us be clear with our directions first. This is north, this is south, this is east, and this is west. Just for you guys to remember and understand, there are four distinct types of rainfalls in India. First type is the common rainfall period, that is the monsoon. So it is a Hindi as well as an English word monsoon. And typically from June to October, this period is existent. Nowadays, because of a lot of climate change, you might observe rainfall at odd times very frequently. Like winter rainfall is common in many parts of the country. Sometimes even due to a lot of heat, summer rainfall is there. But you can say that around 75% of the country receives rainfall in this particular time, except for there are certain exceptions which do not receive monsoon rainfall, like Kashmir, Ladakh, Tamil Nadu. These are certain places which do not receive monsoon rainfall. Okay, so basically, rainfall originates from Kerala. This monsoon rainfall basically originates from Kerala. Say, for example, I'm just giving you an example, say around 5th June. This rainfall begins. Okay, ऐसा होता है कि जनरली जून और से 1 जून, आप इसको मान लीजिए 1 जून के आसपास ये रेनफॉल केरल से स्टार्ट हुआ है. Okay, then it goes to it advances in this direction. So maybe it reaches these states belonging to these places at around 5th June. It advances like this. Okay, then maybe around 15th June, states of Madhya Pradesh and central India, Gujarat, Rajasthan, they received rainfall at around 15th June. This further advances, okay, and further at this time of the year, say around June end, you receive rainfall here. And in this part, okay, Punjab, Haryana, and all. Say you receive this on 1st July. Around 1st July, you receive these rainfall. So these are the general timelines wherein this rainfall is received. So Arabian, the monsoon rainfall, it advances from southwest direction. So this is the southwest direction. So monsoon rainfall advances from southwest direction and breaks up into two distinct branches, Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea branch. Okay, so Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea branch are the two branches in which this normally diverges, and Arabian Sea touches Kerala, while Bay of Bengal it touches the states of northeast of India. Okay, now different states it covers at different times, and the total rainfall, maximum amount of rainfall is received through these. Now, slowly, this rainfall retracts slowly. Okay, retracts means the end of rainfall approaches. So you can see that around rainfall ends here at around say mid-September, say around 20th September, this rainfall ends. Here it ends around say 10th October. These are all the rough dates I'm telling you. Here it ends at around 10th November, something like that. Okay, so this is how this rainfall is also retracting in different places. Then after we speak of the common monsoon period, there are other types of rainfall. Next common type is the post-monsoon rainfall, just after monsoon. So two major months, October and November, which receive the post-monsoon rainfall. Okay. And light rain is caused in southeast parts of the southern peninsula. So in these parts, okay, post-monsoon rainfall is received. Then comes the winter rainfall, which we just spoke about, that is mostly due to turbulent ascent of precipitation. So winter rainfall, which is received essentially from December to February, and it is mostly received in the east of South India. Okay, so in these portions only. So maybe around 1st December, this rainfall begins, and mostly in December, Chennai and places nearby receive rainfall, and some parts of J&K also. Okay, and last type of rainfall or the last season of rainfall in India is the summer rainfall. Okay, so in the months of say March to May, a lot of people call it the Mautha or the Mawat in the local language. So in the months of March to May, these are some pre-monsoon showers that are received in some part of the country. Now, pre-monsoon rainfall, it also takes place in Andhra also, it takes place in Bengal, in Odisha, it takes place in North India also. So this is mostly due to low pressure zones that are created. And excess of summer rainfall is harmful for the winter crop. Okay, because since this crop is harvested in March or April, so this Rabi crop is severely affected due to excess or heavy summer rainfall. These are the four different types of rainfall that, or four different seasons of rainfall that India mostly comes across. So pre-monsoon, post-monsoon, monsoon, and winter. Okay. Now in the next class, we'll study about what type of analysis is performed on the data which is received by different precipitation measuring stations. Okay, precipitation or rainfall is measured through rain gauges. When we receive data through this rain gauges, what do we do with this data? What type of analysis, what type of work is being done with this rainfall data? That will be now studying along with some interesting numericals in the next part. Thank you, everyone.